And it just seemed, fitting to do it again somehow after all the devastation they had down there in Kentucky. I forget the names of the towns and such, but I saw pictures and, oh, my goodness. It was exactly what he wrote this about.
Didn't know just what would happen where the man talked about the storm. We didn't think too much about it, closed our eyes safe and warm. That tornado had no mercy, it came through our little town, tore apart our homes and families, pictured memories on the ground. Now we're picking up the pieces where our kids all used to play. Never questioned why, the reason, just thanking God for another day. Sure we miss our friends and loved ones while the tears roll down our face. Out here digging through the rubble, picturing memories of God's grace. Now little Sawyer, he's in heaven, singing holy to the Lord, with his mom and dad beside him, the kind of peace earth can't afford. Yeah, they're walking down the streets of gold, resting by the crystal sea, while their loved ones left behind hold tight to their memory. Now it's just some pictures that they hold in their hands. Storms of life they pass on by, together stronger we will stand. Now we're picking up the pieces where our kids all used to play. Never questioned why, the reason, just thanking God for another day. Sure we miss our friends and loved ones while the tears roll down our face. Out here digging through the rubble, picturing memories of God's grace. Sometimes life is a tornado and it keeps on spinning round. Well, one day the sun's a shining, next the rain is pouring down. Lift your head up, see tomorrow, for the storm is over now. Ease your mind of loss and sorrow to the memories you have found. Keep on picking up the pieces, and don't forget to pray. Never question why, the reason, just thank God for another day. It's okay to miss your family, let those tears roll down your face. You can rise up from the rubble with pictured memories of God's grace. Every single breath we get to breathe, pictured memories of God's grace.